Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my office. My name is Marek. In this episode I'll make fantastic pork tenderloin with rice, my own pickles, an incredible, amazing, unbelievable, super tasty forest mushroom sauce. Something really unique. But first I would like to present all ingredients that we need to make this extremely delicious dish. Amigos, extremely delicious tenderloin with rice and incredible, super tasty forest mushroom sauce is landing on the table. Bon appetit! Bon appetit very much. All I can say now, mission accomplished. Another beautiful day in my office. And this sauce, ooh, from another world, from another planet.